Have you ever heard of a volcano that's in love? In ancient Mexico, a brave warrior named Popocatépetl fell for a kind and beautiful princess, Iztaccíhuatl. Before heading to battle, he promised her, "Wait for me, I'll return, and we'll be together." But while he was away, a jealous rival told her a terrible lie. That Popocatépetl had died. Heartbroken, she collapsed into a deep sleep and never woke up. When Popocatépetl returned and found her gone, he climbed to the top of the mountains, carrying her in his arms. He built her a snowy resting place and stood beside her, holding a torch. He vowed to keep watch forever. The gods were moved by his love. They turned them into volcanoes. She became Iztaccíhuatl, the sleeping woman, and he became Popocatépetl, the smoking volcano that still watches over her. Even now they stand side by side, silent, strong, in love, because true love never dies.